What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tencent Music Entertainment with the ticker symbol TME. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I'm probably not going to be doing TME and Huya every Saturday now, just because it's getting very low viewership, and I want to put out what most people want to watch. So this will probably be the last time consistently I put out TME. I might put it out here and there, but probably not consistent anymore. But I definitely wanted to put out today because of that earnings report coming out just the past Tuesday. So let's go over the chart for TME. So basically where I left off last week is right over here on the small range. Prices look to be still inside the range. We broke outside the range because we're finding strong support at this 695 level. Prices broke outside the range. The earnings report came out, dropped prices to retest the breakout, and then we set up as a higher low. Prices continue higher, and then got rejected once again at a very strong resistance right around this low $8 level. So I'll mark that with the horizontal line. So you can clearly see that prices are struggling to get past this $8 level. Yeah, it does break above it, but it can't stay above it. So this is very strong resistance, and it looks like very strong support right around this 692. So if we just hit very strong resistance, there's a good chance we come back down to the very strong support right over here, probably sub $7. So that's what I'm looking at for TME. Basically, just in the past, we had this uptrend that played out. It played out because we had a break of it, and price got shallower and shallower. Then it started reversing. Then it started going inside of a shallow downtrend right over here. Prices broke this one, but normally we don't just reverse right away. We get 2 attempts at a new low. So that's exactly what occurred. Downtrend, break, 1 leg down, 2 legs down, right at the very strong support. That's what led to this pop up higher, but it got rejected, and we're seeing 2 big red bars come in the market. So it looks like prices could be dropping. There's a very good context for that drop down to the sub $7 level. The only reason I don't like it that much is because we had 1 leg up. So whenever I see that, because the market moves in twos, is that sometimes we can do something like this and then go down. So, I'm not sure we do it right now. We could go a little bit higher and then drop. But, it's a very good context for a drop, just because we had a breakout of the range. We hit a very strong resistance level. And these 2 small legs down could turn into 1 large leg down. That is not uncommon. And that would be targeting the 644. And also, if I do a big measure move target, including all the price action to the March 21st, from January 4th to March 21st, if I do a measure move of that, and I drag it up to this high point right here, then also coincides with this measure move target right here. So it tells me that prices still have a little bit more room to drop down lower. So I'll mark that right there. So there's good context for price to drop down. I just think, it probably could have set up a little better. We did see 2 legs. You clearly see that prices did go up and then pull back and then go up again, but it looks like just 1 leg straight up. So sometimes we could get another leg up before going down. But in any case, there was this straight up leg right here too, and prices just dropped down lower. So we might not get that based on the context and the previous history of this stock. So it looks like it's setting up to do another drop. So that's all I have for TME on the daily chart. Here is TME on the weekly chart. So here's the weekly chart. Not much to say except prices are kind of boring. It's just going sideways inside of a very large looking range. So just practically flat EMA. Price action is going sideways within the range bounds of 685, 830. So it's just going back and forth inside of there. So we'll see what occurs. But last week was practically a doji bar. Prices traded from the lows to the highs, and then towards later in the week, prices dropped, and that's what made this doji bar form. So indecision bar, right in the middle of the range. So good chance we see lower prices coming in the next couple of weeks. So that's all I have for TME this week, and I think this is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.